To make items on your screen larger in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen and then tap screen zoom. To make items on your screen larger, slide the screen zoom adjustment bar to the right. You can see the preview of your selection in the screen, so you can easily select which setting that fits with your need. You can set the screen zoom to larger if you have visibility issue with the current screen zoom setting. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.